Hi guys, we are going to go over day one. If you are accelerated, yours looks a little bit different. So I'm going to go over core first, and then I'm going to go into accelerated. So let's get started. So for core for day one, I'm going to use fourth hour as my example today. We're going to look at lessons and homework for the week. This is core only. So that means you are using text evidence to respond to close reading questions, and you're using text evidence to support it. We are doing a Padlet, which is still up. It is going to be there for you. And then we're going to do the race strategy and the new class discussion close reading questions are due Friday. No writing is due on 11/24, which you got some time for that one. The first day of school questions are right here. If you load them in a new tab, they will be on a Google Doc. I'm sorry, a Cami, my bad. And so on here for the Cami, you have to talk about the different ways different characters react to the first day of school. So we have John, Audrey, their mother, and their father. You need the textbook open in order to do that. You do not have to do this part. That's fine. That part does not have to be done. Blah, blah, blah. Their partner is yourself because you are doing it after class. We didn't do it in class either. So that is the assignment for core. Okay, if you have any questions, you just email me. Now the assignment for Accelerated is a little different. Accelerated students, you have your questions that were already due. Those are already graded and put in. For you all, you are doing your performance assessment essay. And so when you look at it, it looks like this. Use the RACISI strategy, which is right here. Make sure your writing flows, grammar is key. All those directions are going to be on here for you. So you're basically going to have to answer and then provide 2 quotes and 2 explanations for an essay today. And all the directions are in there. I'm not going to reread it to you. That is how I'm going to grade it, and that's what each number means in the grade book. And then your question is, why does John react so strongly about his first day of school in the story? And that's it. Again, with any questions at all, let me know.